Today's topic is all about tertiary colors. If you would like to know more about color theory, you can watch some of my previous videos. The video links will be in the description box below. Let's get started. What are the tertiary colors? There are 6 tertiary colors. Tertiary colors are made by mixing a primary color with a secondary color. These are the primary and secondary colors. When naming a tertiary color, the primary color goes first, then the secondary color. A hyphen is used to join the 2 mixed colors together. For example, yellow and green. Yellow mixed with green will create yellow-green. Now, let's find out what are the 6 tertiary colors. Yellow and green makes yellow-green. Yellow and orange makes yellow-orange. Red and orange makes red-orange. Red and purple makes red-purple. Blue and purple makes blue-purple. And blue and green creates blue-green. These are the 6 tertiary colors. These tertiary colors are also known by other names: lime, amber, vermilion, magenta, blue-violet, and teal. Just to recap, so far we've learned about the primary colors, the secondary colors, which are made by mixing 2 primary colors together, and the tertiary colors, which are made by mixing a primary and a secondary color together. But what happens when we mix 2 secondary colors together? When we mix 2 secondary colors together, we are actually mixing all 3 primary colors together, but in different amounts, creating something I like to call the second set of tertiary colors. For example, orange and purple. When we mix orange and purple together, we are actually mixing red, yellow, some more red, and blue together. When we mix green and orange together, we are actually mixing yellow, blue, red, and some more yellow together. When we mix green and purple together, we are actually mixing red, blue, yellow, and some more blue together. And those are the second set of tertiary colors. I hope you all were able to learn something new about tertiary colors from this video. Subscribe for more videos like these, and thank you for watching.